How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us on CNY Central. I'm First Alert meteorologist Mike Brookins. Well, the weekend winding down, getting ready for a new week. What will Mother Nature bring us? What will the 7-day show? We're going to have it coming up in the next several minutes. First of all, let's review, then we'll look at where we are, and then we'll give you that future forecast. So Sunday's numbers on the almanac shows we were actually pretty close to average. It was very warm and humid on Saturday, a lot nicer today. Normal low was 60. We were 3 degrees above that, and only a degree above the normal high temperature. 81 the normal high. We did 82. Record high 92 back in 2002 and 48 the record low. Now, something that we didn't see enough of was the rainfall. I know some areas did get some showers and downpours, but it was just a sprinkle that moved through Syracuse, at least through the early evening, only 1/100 of an inch. That could be changing, though, before midnight. As far as the rainfall, 8,500 now for the month, more than 1/2 inch below average, and for the year, more than 4.5 inches below average. Now, there are a couple of spotty, isolated showers out there. Those will come to an end, and it just turns comfortable. As we cool down and turn partly cloudy at times, though, fog will be setting up, and this could be locally dense during the late night hours. So once again, watch out late at night if you're driving around. Much of central New York looks to be dry on Monday. Now, there is a chance for rain. It's about 20 to 30%. There'll be some isolated showers and likely from Syracuse north. So if you're watching us south of Syracuse, the odds of you getting anything about 10 to 20%. The north country closer to 30 to 40%, and most of those coming during the midday. And still not too bad pleasant-wise as far as the temperature and humidity. Now that comes up on Tuesday. We'll be well into the 80s. The humidity creeps back up. Dew points well into the 60s. And we're also going to see the next front come in, and this one gives us a better shot at seeing some accumulating rainfall with scattered showers and thunderstorms by as early as midday on Tuesday. We've had a low pressure system out to the west of us, fairly stagnant. Finally, though, it's been moving up to the north, and it's just about off the map under the banner now. Dragging with it, though, a trough, an extended area of low pressure. So as that presses in and rounds the base of this low pressure system, we're getting these pop-up showers, mostly driven by the daytime heating. So the sun goes down, these are going to be diminishing. Coming up tomorrow, it's even further up to the north and northeast. So most of us probably staying dry. There's just that slight chance, and I think these clouds actually thin out. So a decent day coming up on Monday. Late at nights will be mainly dry. There is the low risk for an isolated light lake effect shower east of the lake. Otherwise, areas of fog forming. Starting off tomorrow morning, very pleasant in the lower 60s. So again, where we should be this time of the year, the humidity may drop during the overnight. So be able to not have to use the air conditioning. I've highlighted the area north of Syracuse. This is the area towards 11 a.m., noon, 1, 2 o'clock through the midday and early afternoon where we could find an isolated rain shower to the south. Less of a chance closer to this high pressure area that's going to be building in, turning us brighter towards the finish of the day on Monday. A mix of sun and clouds. And it looks like Monday night quiet with partly cloudy skies, and Tuesday a system comes in from the west. 82 degrees, the high temperature here. 88 on Monday in New York City, 91 in Richmond, and this warmth and humidity will be creeping back up, as we said, on Tuesday. So it turns quiet for tonight. Any spotty showers, isolated and generally light, will be tapering off, turning variably to partly cloudy and comfortable down to 62. Just watch out for some of that fog. Could be a little dense, as we said earlier. Mostly cloudy with some patchy fog early, then partly sunny during the afternoon. Partial sunshine. Midday through the early afternoon, isolated showers mostly to the north, 82 degrees. Then warm, humid 86 on Tuesday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms developing. On Wednesday, a few showers and thunderstorms taper off, and we cool back down just a little bit, down to 79. Thursday looks dry.